What's up, you guys, and welcome to another Project Paperweight vlog. Today we'll be taking my dad's 1961 Austin Healey 3000 to Empire Speed to start the process of having all the rust taken out of it and going towards being repainted. It's going to be an exciting day, so I hope you're ready for the ride. And yes, my daily gray diesel Passat punch me. Her name is Elizabeth. I name all my cars. You'll get to learn a little about that as we go along in the vlogs. But yeah, this is an amazing car. It has lots of tuning capabilities, which if we get enough likes and we get enough subscribers and YouTube can afford to pay us something, you know, we'll see a little bit of that. See how much gas mileage we can get. See how many torques, horsepowers we can get out of this sucker. But gotta like and subscribe first. We gotta get enough out of YouTube. Another beautiful day in Birmingham, It's always good practice to have a battery cutoff like that on these old British cars. You never know when they're gonna, you know, catch on fire. Stacy, where are you, Stacy? Oh yeah, that's right. You caught on fire. You're not here. You're at the shop. All right, now for a cold start on the 1961 Austin Healey. Balance the choke and the throttle to get that sucker started. You guys with your electronic fuel injections. Inline 6. These were originally used as race motors back in the mall. Some of the most famous racers known for this car were Pat Moss, who was a very famous rally car. She was known as one of the best female drivers of the time. Temperature's good, oil pressure's good. Only 50,000 miles. The only thing we almost did is deal with the deer. Some of the work they're going to be doing. So there's a lot of rust and Bondo in these quarter panels. And the neat thing about these Austin Healey's, and you can see how some of the Bondo is cracking here. So a neat thing about these Austin Healey's is they were built as race cars. So all these panels unbolt and come off the car. So this comes off, the doors come off, this back panel comes off, and it basically turns into an open wheel car. The panels are off. The top's all aluminum, which is kind of neat, so you don't have to worry about rust there. But basically, we're gonna have all the panels taken off and replaced. All this rust removed. Coming around to the front here, we're gonna have the bumpers taken off. We're gonna have these valences fixed where they're filled with Bondo. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Take this panel off, fix all the rust on this side. This side's not as bad. Make sure all the doors line up appropriately. and then take the rear bumpers off as well. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we're excited to continue showing some more restoration vlogs on the Austin Healey 3000. It is currently at Empire Speed in Birmingham, Alabama, and just having some rust and removed and some metal work done, new panels put on, and we're going to show you the process as that happens, and we're excited to work with them. We're not sponsored by them in any way or anything, and we're just the shop we chose to work on the car, and they've been so kind to let us film, and so you guys can kind of see how it goes. And thank you so much again for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you like the video. I hope you guys all have a great day and a great week.